Kateschwanke and welcome to my channel. Today I have a fun review and unboxing and building process of this amazing Lifetime Adventure playset. I actually got this on Amazon and I will link that down below for you guys. We recently bought this about 2 months ago and we have been fully enjoying it every single day since we got it. So I can't wait to show you guys the building process. It was a little bit of a process for sure. And we actually built this by ourselves. You can definitely hire somebody to do that for you, but we wanted to save a little bit of money because this is not a cheap playset. So we wanted to just save a little bit and do it ourselves. And it wasn't too hard. It definitely requires at least 2 people to do, but this video is basically just me showing you guys how we set this thing up and how it arrived and all that. And then I'm also going to tell you a little bit about what we think of this after 2 months of using it. I can actually have all 3 of my kids on the swing set all at once. We bought a separate bucket seat for this playset and we love it. So I can't wait to show you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe while you're here. Let's get started. Hey everyone, this is Kateschwanke and I just got our new Lifetime Big Adventure playset delivered here, and it came in on a big truck. If you guys saw the pictures I posted just before I started recording here. So this is what it came in, this large wooden crate. We have the long slide, we have the big place where you put all your feet, the climbing wall, and then all the other boxes underneath here. So this is what it looks like when you get it in the mail, and it took 2 people to get it back here, and they used 2 dollies to do it. So yep, you kind of have to have it scheduled out in order to have it delivered, and it actually got here a little sooner than they thought, so I'm really happy about that. So anyways, this is our backyard currently. We don't have the best landscaping in the world, which is actually kind of great for a play yard. So we have a fairly good sized backyard though. So I'm planning to put it about right here so that I can see the kids from the porch over there. And as you can see, we already have a trampoline. So pretty much what this video is going to be is how we set it up, and I'm going to show you to the best of our abilities, probably just filming here and there in snapshots. This could take a while for us to do, so it's just going to be a compilation of all that stuff put together. And then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when it's all complete, and then I'm going to tell you what I think about it. So also letting my kids play on it so you guys can see how it looks when children are playing on it as well. So that is what it looks like though, so I'm going to go ahead and film again some more later. They're going to see it for the first time.
I know what it is. There's a slide. A slide. Oh no! What? It kind of looks like a Hot Wheels slide.
What is it?
It's a swing set.
Are you excited?
Yes! Oh,
that's going to be so fun.
How do you get it out?
Well, Daddy has to build it. About 5 days since we got our swing set in the mail. And this is what we've got going on here. My husband finally just got around to starting to put it together about 8 o'clock this morning, and this is as far as he got because he had to run off to work. But this is the beginnings of it. This is one side, so you can see. So that's the side he's starting with. It came in quite a few boxes, so that looks like the roof. There's the slide. It's a wavy slide. I believe it's 9 feet long. And then here's the climbing side here. And I think this is the top part where the kids can play. So that's pretty cool. And you have the rope that goes on one side as well. Some binoculars, the steering wheel, lots of stuff. And just a lot of pieces. So it looks like it's going to be a lot of work, but hopefully it won't be too bad. So I just wanted to show you guys all the different pieces that come with it, all the different boxes, more holes and things in this box here, and of course these large ones here, which I believe go on the other side. So I can't wait to see how this looks, and I will show you guys some more progress videos soon. So this is what we have going so far. It's taken How many hours do you think? Like 4 hours or so just to get to this much? And then we still have all this to go. But I just wanted to show you guys a progress report on how this is going. We're installing these green poles right now that are the safety poles to keep the kids from falling out. And some of them don't allow this piece to go all the way through. So it's supposed to go in that way. And it, as you can see, isn't going smoothly. So if you have a piece like that, this is what you need to do. Flip it upside down, whack it with a mallet, and bust through that paint, because I think they just put a little bit too much paint around those holes, but that will solve your problem. And this is how we've got it going so far. Looks pretty good. Kids are getting excited. And then you just pop them right in there. This is definitely a two-person job though. I would highly suggest you have an extra person help you build these. Kids are giving the swings a test for the very first time. It's not 100% built, but it's sturdy enough to where they can definitely do this already. They couldn't wait any longer. You need a push?
Yeah.
Kayla, what do you think?
Cool!
It's cool?
Yeah! We still have a lot to build!
I know, we still have a lot to build, but we're getting
It's just a swing!
pretty far along. This top part here was a pain though, to be honest.
Whee!
My husband worked really hard to get that on there, but it's coming along nicely. Jensen, just make sure you don't get hit by Caleb, okay?
Hey, Mommy's gonna push you in a minute, right?
Yeah. So that's all that we have left. We have the rest of this box here with the steering wheel, the binoculars, the roof, all these poles that I think go in the roof. I'm not totally sure. A couple more pieces over here. That box is completely empty now. We still have the slide and the climbing wall to do, and the climbing wall is the next thing that we have to do tomorrow, and that is going on this side right over here. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update. This is still the same day as the previous clip that I showed you guys. We're just working on it a little later in the day. And my husband just put in the rings.
I'm ready to hang on those rings!
Are you?
Hold on.
Show us how they work.
Like this? Then you can swing!
Whoa. We're also going to put a baby swing
on
there
tight,
too. Just replace those later on.
See? It's kind of like a rock ladder.
They're having a good time though. Just installed the climbing tower onto the jungle gym, and it looks really great. It's super sturdy. One of the things that I want to tell you guys about is on the inside here. I'll show you guys. Right here, they want you to drill these holes, and some of them do not match up to this actual bar here that's in the middle. So you may have to work really hard to get those holes in properly, but you do want to make sure that you do it exactly where they have the indentations, otherwise it won't line up to this pole here. So that's the only thing I have to say about that. Otherwise, it looks super sturdy. I think even my husband and I could climb on that and it wouldn't be a problem. So yeah, that's it for now, and there's other things that we have to put on next. Installed on the gym, and it's looking really, really good. I really like the way this roof looks underneath. You guys can see there's stars underneath. It's super cute. And this frame was actually not too hard to put up. You definitely need 2 people to do it though. But yeah, otherwise it was pretty simple and straightforward. Got a cool chalkboard up here now, and that was really easy to install as well. I think next is the slide, which should be pretty straightforward. It's over here. We've actually had some rain and some ice, so we're just dealing with all that as far as weather goes. It's kind of been slowing us up a little bit, but that's the next thing I think we have to do. And then after that, we have the binoculars, the steering wheel, and then there's this here, which actually hangs underneath over here in this area. So it should look really cool. So I got the binoculars installed today, and I also did the steering wheel up there. And then I also installed the bottom swing here, which is really cool. This hooks up underneath here. That was the last 3 things that we needed to do to get this completely done. So yeah, I'll just let the kids come play on it, and then I will do a little review for you guys and let you know what I think.
Let's go under it. Let's go. Let's go on it. Woohoo! Whee! Woohoo! Oh, a pirate up here. Woohoo! Woo! Woo! The pirate. The pirate. Wow! Whoa, there's an maze. Oh, amazing! Incredible! An anchor! Wow! This is cool.
What do you think, Caleb?
It's cool.
Is it?
Yes! Wow! Time to test out the slide.
All right.
Woohoo!
Ooh, we got some good sliding in there. Come on, Jensen. Can you go down the slide too?
Wait!
Come on, I want to see you.
I see a house.
Oh, wow.
Oh. Stars!
Are you going to go down the slide?
I can see you, Mommy.
Hi.
I can see you. Going down.
Jensen, go down the slide.
Go down it. It's fun. Whoa. Woohoo! Woo,
Yeah. He's all excited. Ooh, that was a good one, Caleb.
Can I do this? No.
Maybe Caleb could push you.
Can you help me? Yes. I'm good at holding you.
Well, I guess we'll see how this goes.
I
This
love
is a great
this.
swing set.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, buddy.
Bobby.
You're welcome.
This is the best place ever to be with. This is the best mommy to be with. She builds everything. Mommy, can you help me? Daddy! Help!
Yeah, our amazing daddy. He did a lot of the building, and I just helped a little bit.
Help me!
I'm coming. So as you guys can see, we absolutely love this swing set. It is so well made. I love the quality. I can tell it's gonna actually last for a really long time. And my husband and I can actually both swing on this swing set at the same time. It's amazing. And that's one of the reasons why I wanted it, not just for my kids. I really enjoy a good swing set. So I wanted to make sure I had something that both my kids and my husband and I could enjoy with our kids, and something that would grow with our kids, because we have 3 boys and I know they're all going to be as big as my husband one day, and that means we need something that's going to last. And anybody that comes over, any children and their parents, anybody, we want to make sure that this is going to be strong and built to last. And that is one of the reasons why we chose a lifetime swing set, and we are super happy that we did. We really, really love it, and you can just tell from my kids' faces in the video. I think one of my favorite features about this swing set is the actual rock climbing wall. My kids love it. They love being able to just scale it and climb up the top. A lot of times they will just completely forget about the stairs and the net on the back and just try to climb the wall. But it's just great that there's 3 different ways that you can get up on this swing set. The slide is also really high quality. I can go down it no problem. There is a weight limit to it, and I'm 125 pounds. No problem for me. I can go down that just fine. And it's actually got a bit of like speed to it, but it's super safe still, and it never feels like it gets too hot no matter how hot it is outside, so I really like that. Lifetime also has a bunch of different attachments. Like I mentioned, this metal swing here, the bucket swing, we actually bought that separately from Wayfair, and this swing set did come with rings, as you guys saw in the building process of the video. And that is going to be great for our kids as they get older and they want to just play a little bit more rough. I think that'd be really fun. But for now, since we have 3 boys and one of them is a baby, we really wanted to have that bucket swing. And I love the quality of their bucket swing and actually just their swings in general. I do not like hard plastic swings. They feel cheap and flimsy, and I do not like them. So that is one of the reasons why I wanted to go for the Lifetime set. I love the swings. They are like a rubbery, soft, pliable feel to them, and so that means anybody, no matter how big your bottom is or small your bottom is, it forms to your shape, so I love that. Sorry if you hear anything in the background. We live in a new construction area, so there's people building homes today. But as far as you guys could see from the building process, we did have a few snags that we hit. It definitely isn't super easy to build this. It's difficult. You do have to read very carefully the directions, and you even have to pay attention extra careful to the diagrams because it will show you certain ways to put something on, and if you do not get that right, you better pray that you don't, because this is not easy to build. But anyways, I hope this helps anybody who's looking to purchase this swing set. I highly recommend it, and I also highly recommend that you hire somebody to do it next time. I think that's probably something we would have done differently, is just to save time, because my husband is Army and we don't have much time together. It took us about a week and a half, and that was just with the time that he had when he wasn't working, so it probably would not have taken us more than a couple days to do this otherwise, as long as you dedicate enough time to it in 1 or 2 days. Other than the building process and the instructions, we've been really, really happy, and I just, like I said, I highly recommend this product and I love it, and I will leave that link down below for you guys to shop through if you want to see this particular product on Amazon. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe while you're here. Thanks for watching.